Alright. Today, we're opening up some packs. We're trying to get... Where is it at? Maybe I gotta go to the back. We're trying to get 99 Messi. This is shit. Just, you know, get it over with. Who's it gonna be? CDM. Manchester. Rodney? Wasn't this a shit pack? Hey, I'll take a fucking 89. Do you go for anything? No. I think this is ass too. Just get the smelly shit out of here. Smells like Mexico. LB. Who's this? Francis? 82s? No. France? See ya. That's fucking Ludwig, bruv. Oh, no one wants you. Look at you falling over your ass. Got his brother, what the fuck? I packed twins. Let's try it again. Please. Oh, yeah. CDM. Munchin. Dwarf. Come on. Oh! Please, please, please. That's... What the fuck is that? Is that Kabumba? Pacho. Oh! Oh! Ronaldo! Oh! Hey yo! What the fuck? No! No! What the fuck just happened? What just happened? I got Ronaldinho. I got Ronaldo. Oh my god, no, 80, 98. What the fuck? Where did that come from? How much does he go for? How much does he go for? Oh my god! Oh my god! 3-4 mil. Please, just give me Messi. Right now. Canada. CN. Ass. I got the fucking Mandem. Please give me Messi. Yes. Oh. Ah, God! What was this? W. Chelsea. Sterling. Really? Oh, it's so shit! It's so shit! Ah! Try one of these little, whatever. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's pink. It's pink. CB. Lekeki. What? Buckinjakarota. What the fuck is that? What is that? Why is he praying? Get up. Yeah, we'll try it. We'll try one of these. Give me a break. Is this the fucking Mandem again? Nah, it's the fucking Mandem. Are you kidding me? Wait. Odegaard. Odegaard. 83. Come on! Ooh, what? Orange. ST. Pigeon? Joao. What? Joao Pedro. On. Give me Messi! Messi! Belgium. CDM. Munchin. Is this dwarf? Oh. It's your brother, Kimchi. Nice. Nice. Look at you. We'll get one of these. Hey, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, Messi! Oh, no! It's Messi! What's this? Oh! Who the fuck is you? Broline? What the fuck? Who the fuck was the other guy? I didn't even get to see him. Krapoo? What the fuck? Why did you come out blue? Where's the blue on this fucking card? You mother... Oh, you're getting discarded like a fucking... Come on. Please. Oh, we're back to this shit. Mexico. CB. Nazar. La Party. You're kidding me. Messi. Oh, please, 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 blue. That's blue. That's France. Schneider. God damn it, bruh. Why? Please, 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 just give me. What the hell is this? What? Lisa Malou. Rudiger. You motherfucker! No. No. Oh, and I get you again? Nice. Nope. It's a hate crime. Oh, I'm getting pissed. Ooh, what the fuck? Why do I keep getting fucking Krapoo? Oh my god. Second time in a row. Why can't I? Oh my god. Fuck, man. Because guess what? I'm getting Messi right now. Give me that shit. It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. It's not fucking Messi! Oh god! Brother. Oh my god! Please. It's Messi. Oh. I'm getting fucking annoyed. Why is it always blue? It's fucking teasing me. I'm getting Mentos. I'm fucking pissed. Who's that? Huh? Pour a tower sass. What the fuck?
Make sure to like and sub.